Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would start the prayer with uttering Allahu Akbar and commence the recitation with Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen and keep his back leveled, neither keep his head low nor up, rather in between these two positions. And when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would raise his head from bowing, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would not prostrate himself unless he would stand erect. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would raise his head from the prostration, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would not perform the second prostration unless he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would sit up straight, recite at-tahiyyat after each 2 units, while sitting, spread the left foot and keep the right upright, prohibit from sitting like the Satan and spreading their forearms like the beasts. Finish the prayer by performing salutation. A narration says he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would proscribe from aqbush shaitan. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1110.